Hi, Dan Egan here, reminding you about our upcoming in-person customer event, IN4M. Do yourself a favor, mark your calendar right now. IN4M will be held August 17th and 18th at Lambeau Field. Oh, did I mention? This is an in-person event. IN4M is about taking data and turning it into useful information to drive meaningful business outcomes. We want to help our customers on their journey towards their digital transformation. We will introduce you to some new partners, some exciting new products, and best-in-class solutions. Of course, we will have a full slate of technical sessions, product demonstrations, hands-on labs, and a greatly expanded trade show floor. The event kicks off with a keynote presentation by Elliot Eisenberg, the bow-tie economist. Elliot is an internationally acclaimed economist specializing in making the minutiae of economics fun, relevant, and educational. Registration opens in June. I look forward to seeing you in person at IN4M on August 17th and 18th.